From MC Beaters on this rainy Monday morning, and I decided to do some crafting, so I made a couple more bracelets. I found really pretty beads. This one has a pink and yellow flower, so I try to incorporate the bracelet with those colors. So I have a green here, sparkly, pink and yellow on a clear, like a white clear tubing with some dangles. I like the way this looks. It's pretty. Very pretty. My next one, I used the clear also tubing, and I used a nice big white pearl with some spacers and green and gray and clear like diamonds with the dangles. Next one is that pretty bead with the yellow and the pink flowers, and like I said, I incorporated the colors with the stone or with the bead, and I put it on black tubing. This one has a pink rose on it, both sides. So I incorporated the colors of the bead, which is pink, green, and white, with some clear dangles on the bottom. Pretty. Okay, next one. I actually did the same, but the greens are a little different. One is lighter and one is darker. You can't really see it in the camera, but one is lighter and one is darker. Okay, this one was a fun one. It reminds me of a candy cane, but it's like pink purple kind of. There's a little blue in there, and I put looks like turquoise colored beads with pink purple dangles. This one I made a simple one. This one looks like copper, and I have black, like a deep purple, copper, and pearl with the same thing on the dangles. This one's pretty too. It's just a plain one. Next, I made blue with gray and pink. Some dangles here. I'm trying each one on. Here we go. Pretty. This one I love. It's black with gold, like stripes, lines, and I put red because I always like black and red together. I incorporated the gold with what was in the bead, and white, and red and black dangles. And the last one is yellow. Yellow bead with purple. It's like a light purple bead with blue. And I incorporated yellow dangles. This one's pretty too. Okay, guys. Everyone have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.